Mainers caught between their job and caring for a loved one or themselves will soon have a third option, paid family or medical leave. Good evening, everyone. I'm Amanda Hill.
And I'm Brian Yacono. With 2 years to go now before it goes online, Maine's Department of Labor is setting the rules that both workers and employers will need to follow.
It's been called one of the broadest new laws Maine has ever seen, and you can help shape it. Here's News Center Maine's David Guildford.
Maine is going to have a paid leave program. Supporters say it's about time we join nearly every country in the world, while some business owners ask how much of the bill should be left to them.
If you manage a business or work for one, you likely have an interest in what goes on here.
This is, one of the broadest focusing laws Maine has passed in a long time.
Luke Monahan directs the team at the Department of Labor, tasked with writing the specific rules for Maine's impending paid family and medical leave program.
Covering ultimately over 600,000 workers and over 60,000 businesses probably. So it's very important during this rulemaking phase that we hear from as many voices as possible to make sure that this is a program that, works for Maine.
There is much left to be hashed out, and you can weigh in. Monday morning, as many as 60 people filled this room, and as many as 20 spoke to Monahan's team in the only in-person public comment session before the state begins collecting funds for the program in January.
We're really concerned what this will mean for those businesses that are very seasonal.
Patrick Woodcock gave comment. As president and CEO of the State Chamber of Commerce, he said it is time for Maine to have a paid leave program. He worried, though, what this would mean for seasonal workers who work for a limited time, and voiced concerns that businesses would have to start paying into the program come January, whether or not they end up being enrolled or running their own when it goes live in May of 2026.
The other states have said, if you want to exempt yourself from this program, just declare it to the state. We're recommending that to the Department of Labor.
When you're supporting the health and well-being of the employees, it's going to pay dividends for your business as well.
Molly Barnathan is a postpartum doula who supported this law in the legislature and echoed multiple studies that found paid leave benefits workers and businesses.
While this was the only in-person meeting, you can still make comment on the Department of Labor's website or by mail the old-fashioned way through July 8th. David Guildford, News Center, Maine.